The much heated ongoing argument about speeding. Why do they make vehicles that go that fast if they don't want us speeding? Well, years ago this happened. They wanted to make vehicles that would last a lifetime going 70 miles per hour. Going 120 miles per hour for only a couple of years made less sense. Engineers must make cars fast so the car won't strain trying to constantly go 70 miles per hour. Weird? Yes. And this is because of air resistance and gears. By improving the vehicle's reliability and speed, they were able to better maintain the necessary shifting of gears and compensate for air resistance. It's all related to vehicle engineering. Now let's get back to air resistance. Let's imagine you want to go 300 miles per hour. Now that would be amazing. However, the engineering concept is insane. The biggest hurdle to go 300 miles per hour is air. The drag or air resistance that a car encounters as it approaches 300 miles per hour can be compared to what you encounter when swimming. That's a tough barrier to break through. Thanks for watching. Now you know. It has nothing to do with how fast we can go. It's all about smart engineering.